If you were given $5,000 right now, would you rather buy a MacBook Pro 16 or own a robot chef? Before you answer that question, think of all the gourmet meals that you could have on a daily basis without breaking a sweat. I mean, I would have my robot make me a delicious meal from a new country every day. It sounds futuristic, right? Well, that reality may not be as far away as you think. Culinary robotics is advancing rapidly, and Tesla wants to break into the industry early. And while not every viral claim holds up, real innovation is happening. What can I say? It's AI meets gourmet cooking. There's been a surge of online buzz around a robot named Culina, rumored to be a humanoid kitchen assistant the megatech company Tesla is working on. The internet is going wild about this robot's speculative abilities to make a range of delicious meals and the emergence of cooking robots. David Scott Patterson, a user on X, formerly Twitter, was quick to talk about the economic implications of these robots, saying, "Humanoid robots with artificial universal intelligence, AUI, will be capable of cooking every meal with almost no labor cost. AUI will have the maximum level of intelligence and ability in every field. It will be able to cook every meal like a 5-star chef. Dining out and ordering takeout will become so inexpensive that many people will not bother having a kitchen in their homes." To be fair, I think it's worth considering that Patterson is quite optimistic about what robots can achieve in the near future. On the other hand, another user makes a longer argument where he claims that these robots are still not as precise as they claim. The problem I always notice in these videos is that robots are only taking very clumsy direct actions and assuming no mistake has been made, never double-checking things, like a person would, like if it has a proper grip or if the other side of the burger is as fully cooked through. But whether culinary machines with such abilities are available tomorrow or in 10 years, do you think there's any merit to people having such assumptions about our economy and lifestyle? Front and center of such questions is Tesla's Culina, which you've probably heard of if you're in the tech space. If not, I've got you covered. There have been viral videos of Tesla producing a cooking humanoid called Culina. Almost every YouTube channel's thumbnail on robotics cooking has that one picture of Elon Musk and Culina. The cost of the robot is placed at exactly $5,000. However, before diving into the meat of the online buzz, it's essential to note that Tesla has not officially confirmed the existence or development of a robot chef called Culina. In other words, practically everything we know about details like pricing, capabilities, and release timelines are purely speculative. And what are those claims? Well, Culina supposedly has advanced sensors on its fingertips, which allows it to handle all kinds of culinary meal preparation. Yes, this robot can tell the difference in pressure needed for cracking an egg and gripping a cast iron pan. That'll definitely come in handy in the kitchen. Plus, with its multiple cameras and sensors, these robots can identify ingredients, read measuring cups, and sense changes in temperature. Even the best chefs are prone to mistakes. A second too long or short can make or burn the meal. Not for Culina, though. Its personalization feature means that every meal cooked is just to the taste of the individual. Not only does it tailor its recipe to your taste, it evolves over time to instinctively know what you would like. I can only imagine what it would feel like to trust that your chef will choose the best meal for you. Think of it like your Instagram algorithm bringing all your favorite content to your timeline. Bliss, right? I'd like to think of all the alternative options to Chinese spicy fried noodles, and I'm sure that many others feel the same. For instance, Twitter user shares the sentiment when the announcement was made in an X post. Despite all the bold claims made about this culinary robot, it's still shocking to me that there's little evidence available to back them. Every detail about when Culina will be available to the public or its full specification is yet to be known. Some might say that it's all a myth, But let one thing be clear. There are actually robots that are currently capable of performing these mind-blowing culinary feats. For instance, Tesla's other very real robot, called the Optimus II, seen in videos cooking. This robot can perform a wide range of actions, and is often spoken of as the most advanced robotics in the world. Unlike Culina, which might be all hype, Optimus II has enough basic movement to cook, clean, serve food, and even wash the dishes after. The last bit in particular makes this humanoid even more lovable, because cleaning up after is definitely the worst part of any meal. Tesla isn't the only company that has its eyes set on making an army of culinary chefs. In London, the story is different. We are not talking about a standalone culinary robot chef, but an entire system embedded into your kitchen. It all starts with selecting a recipe from a touchscreen interface with a massive library of curated recipes. Then, robotic arms reach down to the kitchen island and start to prepare these meals. The Moley R has robotic arms with 5 fingers on each one. Each finger also has sensors that allow it to apply just the right pressure when lifting, chopping, stirring, flipping, or plating food. Since 2015, when this machine was first released to the public, we've seen it deployed in commercial kitchens and luxury homes. The Chef's Kitchen, for example, was launched in 2023 with access to over 5,000 recipes found in Moley's library. It fits perfectly into the architecture of whatever kitchen it's used in. Despite all these amazing technicalities that Moley's kitchen systems offer, the cost remains a concern. We are talking about a $300,000 kitchen technology. That's equally the cost of an expensive luxury car. Moley's CEO, Dr. Mark Olenek, is confident that they'll lower costs in the near future to match market prices and allow for affordability. And it's not just in the West that these developments in culinary technology are happening. Asia is in on the game and might even be ahead, in my opinion. They have culinary robots that just don't cook alone, but can perform martial arts. Crazy, right? It's called the Astribot S1. The first launch of this cutting-edge humanoid robot was at the World Robot Conference in August 2024. Its manufacturer, Stardust Intelligence, says that the robot is designed to handle tasks that would require human dexterity and judgment. What does this even mean? The Astribot S1, if placed in a complex and uncertain environment, will perform tasks like it has always done. Talk about learning on the job and doing it better than actual humans. Speaking of which, if there's no one in the kitchen, what happens? While the Astribot S1 is remarkably dexterous, audiences have raised concerns about whether it can find items like bowls or ingredients in a new kitchen. Besides that, there's also the fact that its martial arts skills are more likely hyped for marketing than actually functional. So it may not be the ninja-level chef you're expecting. Still, it would be impressive to have a robot that chops vegetables and can throw a perfect jab. If a thief breaks in to steal your most prized recipe, you can trust that your robot can kick butt and cook you a nice meal afterward. Mind-blowing, isn't it? More on Asian culinary robots. South Korea's technology giant Samsung wants a piece of the action with its Bot Chef, designed to help users in the kitchen. Operating a 6DOF robotic arm, it can mimic the human arm. It also has a voice-activated control option so that you can order a salad or just talk it through the steps for a recipe. Imagine a scenario where you can tell a robot to make a meal for a loved one even when you're away on holiday. I'm not sure if this level of remote control is available yet, but we dare to dream. Unlike the other counterparts that mimic the human 5-finger design, this is a 3-fingered end effector that can gently grab a bottle or squeeze sauce from one. There's also no need to break the bank for this one. What you have is a robot priced like any other appliance. Samsung has optimized the device for cost efficiency, making it lightweight and sleek. It fits into your kitchen so well that you don't even know it's there until it drops down from its hiding place. Nothing spooky about that, I'm sure. You might think, sure, these might just be possible if people did have these robots in their homes. It seems like something for the future, like in those sci-fi movies from 2045. Sorry, but you can watch these culinary robots in action today. Who knows, you might have even eaten a meal prepared by one. Doubt it? Currently, there is Flippy, the burger flipper that uses thermal vision and artificial intelligence to flip burgers at restaurants like Cali Burger, White Castle, and Dodger Stadium. Miso Robotics is selling this machine to food businesses at a whopping price of $30,000. No more overdone burgers or burnt chicken. Flippy can tell when a side is done and flip it immediately. It doesn't stop there. It can fry chicken and load fries into deep fryers. It's almost unbelievable. Imagine making 4,000 rice balls in an hour. Not even the most skilled chefs in the world can do this, but Suzumo can. This machine makes the skilled craftsmanship of skilled sushi chefs look like child's play. Within seconds, it can press a perfect nigiri or roll sushi maki. Back in the United States, Spice Kitchen in Boston operates a fully robotic kitchen, bringing the vision of the chef's kitchen to life. Customers place their orders through a touchscreen, and the rest is left to the robots. The system goes straight to dispensing ingredients, mixing, cooking, and serving the meals. It cooks grain bowls and stir fries using 7 automated woks. Now being rebranded under Sweetgreen, it's expected that we might soon see it become operational again. How soon do you think you can whip up a nutritious meal? Your answer definitely isn't 3 minutes. That would mean being faster than Spice Kitchen's automated kitchen. Most times when people think of how these culinary robots might be utilized, they imagine only restaurants. But the range of these technology tools extends beyond these places. For example, RoboEats has automated food stations in hospitals like Latvia's Paul's Stradins, which prepares custom meals with strict hygiene and nutrition requirements. Humanoid's like 21, which is fully operational in Japan, prepares simple meals for elderly and disabled patients and feeds it to them. School and university cafeterias may use culinary robots to prepare lunches and serve hot meals to long queues of students, drastically reducing food waste and wait times in these queues. I mean, robots don't have bad days, don't get sick, and don't accidentally add salt instead of sugar to your cake. They are not rude or sweaty like the servers at the cafeteria. Today, AI-based robots like IBM's Chef Watson lend their creativity to food research and development. I've read of unique flavor combinations being generated by these machines. Entire new recipes are being created in these labs. Just the idea of new food coming to the table should make all of this a welcome development. Only a positive outlook from here on, right? Wrong. While you and I are simply happy to not be burdened with the responsibility of cooking, just enjoying all these emerging, delightful recipes, some are fuming right now. Let's take professional chefs, for instance, who might lose their jobs with the emergence of these machines. If these robots are even half what they claim to be, then there's no human chef that can compete with the capabilities of a $5,000 robot that's able to make any dish anywhere in the world in record time with accuracy. While being expensive up front, robots could eventually make high-quality, consistent meals more affordable by reducing labor costs. Which would you take? A robot of this kind, or some chef who might forget to flip the pancakes on time because they got distracted? Let's talk about price, too. Really? How many people can actually afford one of these in their homes? $5,000 so they can flip my pancakes? Plus, who cares if your robot can chop carrots and fight karate? Let's not talk about the fully automated kitchen robots that cost as much as your mortgage. Unless you're insanely rich, all of these are just nice speculations at best. Plus, who are we kidding? I don't want a chunky metal creature whirring and cranking in my kitchen just to make me a cup of coffee. All those electrical bills, too? there's also questions about hygiene. I know they said they can prepare these meals with precision, but how do they know to wash their hands after? So, back to the basics. It's lovely what we have been able to achieve in the culinary space with the aid of these robots. I mean, kitchen automation didn't start today. As far back as the 1980s, rice cookers, waffle makers, and bread toasters were commonplace in homes. Like the robots of today, the devices could follow basic instructions to make whatever meal that you wanted it to. We've since evolved into smarter machines, like smart ovens controlled via smartphone apps, even making ovens that can scan the QR codes on meal kits and cook them to perfection. It just keeps getting better. And food enthusiasts have a lot to look forward to. Right now, a lot of things seem far-fetched and expensive, but my guess is that soon enough, the culinary technology will get cheaper and cheaper till the price drops significantly while retaining all its functionality. I don't know about you, but I would definitely buy a $500 kitchen assistant if it meant that it could cook me quality meals every other day of the week while I go about my other business. This might be a stretch, but thinking of David's earlier comment, I think a lot of couples would benefit from this. Questions of what to eat would no longer cause unnecessary squabbles or drawn-out arguments. Plus, those with special meal needs, like athletes, diabetics, and old people, can get a life of ease. So what do you think? Would you trust a robot to cook your dinner, or are some things better left to human hands? Do you think that the current price of these gadgets matches the value of the services they provide? Let me know what your thoughts are in the comments below. If you found this deep dive about cooking robots to be interesting, you can encourage by liking this video and sharing it with others. Also, don't forget to hit the subscribe button to see more content like this and stay on top of new innovations happening across the globe. Till next time.